Good morning, Joshie.
Good morning.
You ready to go on a hike?
Sure.
Good morning, everybody. March 23rd, 2024. Today is day 302 on the road, and this morning, we're gonna hike the Windows Trail Loop here at Arches National Park. It's 1.2 miles, and you get awesome views of the north window, the south window, and also Turret Arch. Ready to hike?
Yeah.
Let's hike. So we're here, and then we could see the Turret Arch, the north window, the south window, and then down here is the Double Arch Trail. Dude, this is actually a real busy trail. We just passed up a bunch of people. Come on up. We're right underneath north window. This right here is Turret Arch. See if I can walk to it. It's actually hard one-handed with a tripod. Hey, you guys want to come here? So this right here is Turret Arch, and over here, this is the north window, and then this is the south window.
If you look at that, that looks like an eagle, or a snake, or a crocodile.
Or somebody with a head with their arms out like they're flying.
Yeah. So this is the south window.
We just made it to the south window. Look at our kids. So sweet holding hands. All right, so the Windows Trail is over here, and if you walk right through the restrooms, over here is the Double Arch.
Did you see me climb? Do you see tears? Wait, I see tears.
All I see is
Opening out your eyes, right? We just made it to Double Arch. Hey, you don't see my W? Excuse me, I like a venti mocha with double macchiato, double chocolate, foam whipped cream, not whipped cream, cherries on the top with vitamin A and vitamin D, and some double milk, dairy milk, whole milk, and then 0.5% milk.
We just got done hiking Double Arch, and now we're gonna go eat some food.
That's good.
That's good. Pasta sauce that you have, just don't throw it. And then just like us, I usually put water in it, but then I don't have a water anymore because I threw the pasta water. So a little life hack you have there, my friend. See, coat all the leftover sauce, and you just dump it out. There you go.
Clean your boots. This right here is Sand Dune Arch. It's a quick hike, 0.3 miles. I'm tired. I can't make it. I can't make it.
Oh, you can go too.
Dead end.
Nothing does it.
Kids will be here.
Oh yeah?
The kids will be there.
No parents allowed.
This is how the arch looks.
Traction. There's the arch.
Okay.
Did he slide?
Hey.
No more.
Dude, need to lose some weight.
Video now. Say something.
You saw this was a photo, right? Well, this isn't the video. And by the way, this was a chair. This is a rock chair. So it's a rocking chair, which is a rock that rocks you. Yeah, that's in the shape of a chair. So it's a rock chair, a rocking chair.
How was that hike?
Good, and that's my #1 favorite.
Number one favorite hike. Yeah, that hike was super cool. Whole bunch of fun places to climb and hide.
It's really
It's
good
red.
for kids.
Actually,
if you got kids and you come in here, you hike this.
It's actually red sand, not sand. It's red sand.
Okay, Mr. Scientific. All right, with that, we're gonna go back to the campsite and chill out because I think we deserve some internet.
We're gonna call it a day.
Yeah.
Okay. Wait. I want to do it. Wait.